Welcome to another Ask Henna Sooq. I'm answering all of your questions, guys. Thank you for joining me. My name is Khadija. I'm a leading henna hair color expert specializing in Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and you'll see my gorgeous henna and jago body art. So I take questions that you guys are asking in a lot of the recent videos, and then I get to answer them for you. And if you have a pressing question like right now and you don't have time to wait, just head to our website, it's hennasooq.com. There is a live chat feature during our regular business hours where you can reach one of our hair care experts and ask your question, and they will definitely take care of you right then and there. So let's get into these questions that I have chosen for you guys and get those answers, going for you. So our first question comes from Monica Solar, and she asks, what can I do to keep my curls? I have loose curls and I don't want to lose them. I got you. It's easy to maintain curls. All you need to do is use our almond powder and or our Zicephus powder. Those maintain curls, give you volume if your hair is straight. You get that definition and that fullness, so definitely use those. You can use them together or separately, as long as you make sure that your amla and your Zicephus are primary or equal to each other. And then if your hair is on the dry side, don't forget, you've got to add those moisturizing ingredients and make it smell nice, some essential oils. Question number 2 comes from Amanda T. And she says, I have dry curly hair. Would adding vitamin E to the henna paste help? It can help a little bit. I don't really feel that it's strongly moisturizing enough. If your hair is pretty dry, you might even want to try to test out a little bit of fenugreek in that recipe, little aloe vera juice, kind of like get it really moisturized. But fenugreek is one of the next herbs that I'm going to be playing around with when it comes to henna recipes. So you guys gotta stay tuned for that. And question number 3 comes from Mimi Healy. And she asks, I would like more info on how to regrow my hair after hair loss and thyroid issues. My thyroid was removed 5 years ago, but I was only put on a thyroid med about a year ago. My hairline receded back about 2 inches all the way around my head. It appears to be regrowing, but it's very thin. I would like to grow my hairline thicker and faster. My hair is about 1 to 2 inches below bra strap length. So you got some length going on there. You have a lot of hair that is receding. So you said 1 to 2 inches below bra strap length. So that length is there, that's good. But that it's thin and requires a few treatments for sure to get it back to be healthier and stronger, especially at the roots. Definitely use the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask, get those scalp stimulating, the Ayurvedic hair oil, use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as a leave-in, but really it's good for a pre-poo and for a massage, and then you can wash it out the next day. It works really well like that, and it's really convenient if you're just sitting there and you're kind of like, keeping yourself busy. You could just do that as a treatment before you go to bed and then wrap your hair up and sleep with it. And then also Zicephus. Oh, you gotta be using the Zicephus hair wash, the Zicephus hair mask, the Zicephus powder, and one of our DIY masks and treatments that you can find right here on the YouTube channel. Tons of videos with the Zicephus powder. It is really good. And don't forget, for that hair growth, amla oil, amla as a herb with your Zicephus, just really infuse it all together to get really good treatments and to nourish your hair. And be very, very delicate. Try to be not like over manipulating your hair, using tools that will be very gentle on your hair as well. And thank you again for tuning into yet another Ask Henna Sooq series every week, and you don't want to miss these, so make sure that you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get all the notifications and don't miss a thing. So thank you again. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.